Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about Georgetown Galleries. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Georgetown Galleries Furniture Company used to be a major player in the furniture business. This Huntington, West Virginia company produces exquisite cherry and mahogany bedroom and dining room furniture for a high-end clientele despite only being in business for a few decades. Furniture from the Georgetown Galleries. The history of Georgetown Galleries. The Georgetown Galleries Company is a gallery in Georgetown, Virginia. It wasn't until 1946 that history truly began. Leod Ritter, the company's owner, changed the Huntington factory's name in that year. Ritter chose the name because he thought it had more worldwide appeal than other furniture companies in the Huntington, West Virginia area. Not only that, but the name added to the status of the beautiful cherry and mahogany furniture produced by the firm. In reality, Georgetown Galleries' lettering and emblem reinforced the brand's relationship with the factory's conventional 18th-century furniture styles. Furniture from the Georgetown Galleries that has been used. Indeed, the company mostly employed exquisite Honduran mahogany, which was at the time one of the strongest and most beautiful woods available. Furthermore, the majority of the items in the Georgetown Galleries were made of solid mahogany. The drawer fronts and tops of this Georgetown Galleries mahogany buffet, for example, are made of real mahogany. In order to produce the exquisite serpentine front drawers, a big piece of mahogany was required. These extra features distinguish Georgetown Galleries furniture from its competitors. Mahogany buffet at the Georgetown Galleries. The company's growth in the 1950s was aided by this attention to detail. The company's sales numbers hit a peak of over $3 million in the middle of that decade. According to this news story, the factory employed between 175 and 200 fine craftsmen and employees at its peak. Vintage mahogany furniture, the product's superb quality and traditional, timeless aesthetics have earned Georgetown Galleries a wonderful reputation across the country, and even internationally in some circumstances. Furniture depreciation at Georgetown Galleries. Despite this expansion, the corporation ran into financial difficulties by the end of the decade. Perhaps it was the additional labor costs imposed by the price of mahogany and cherry, or the cost of the extra detailing, but Georgetown Galleries lost a lot of its market share. Bedroom furniture from the Georgetown Galleries. I can only assume that Georgetown Galleries met the same fate as Pennsylvania House, Hardin Furniture, and other businesses later in the century. Fine furniture requires a high selling price, but competitors with lower cost raw materials and less demanding designs can always undercut that. By 1963, an Asheville, North Carolina judge had declared Georgetown Galleries bankrupt. To pay off the company's debts, the company's remaining assets were auctioned off. Antique furniture from the Georgetown Galleries. Furniture from the Georgetown Galleries. Vintage Georgetown Galleries furniture can be found on occasion, but it is not as prevalent as other vintage furniture companies. It's becoming increasingly difficult to find this high-quality furniture due to their brief company history. The rarity, on the other hand, adds to the thrill of finding it. We sold a magnificent dining table from the Georgetown Galleries. Dining tables at the Georgetown Galleries can cost anything from $800 to $1,800. Similarly, restored Georgetown Galleries furniture is frequently found on eBay or Craigslist. Georgetown Galleries pieces, which are usually crafted of solid mahogany, look great when restored. Furthermore, because it was a very short-lived trend, you can often buy this sort of furniture for a bargain. The worth of the galleries in Georgetown. The value of Georgetown Galleries might be deceiving at times. When we evaluate the materials and quality, we believe it is certainly worth a high resale price. Vintage mahogany dresses and china cabinets, on the other hand, don't command a lot of money on the second-hand market. Furniture from the Georgetown Galleries. Of course, the general condition of Georgetown Galleries furniture can have a significant impact on the pricing. Even if something appears to be brand new, or has a new finish, it could still fetch thousands of dollars. If in pristine, like new condition, a mahogany item from Georgetown Galleries will likely cost between $800 and $1,500. A cherry piece may still cost between $600 to $1,200. In the furniture market, however, nothing has remained constant. This type of cherry and mahogany could rise in value in the coming years. In today's terms, producing what Georgetown Galleries did in the 1950s would be too expensive. So keep checking back. This page is updated on a regular basis with new Georgetown Galleries furniture that becomes available. As more people enjoy this amazing brand of quality vintage furniture, you never know what this type of exquisite furniture might do in the future. Furniture for sale at the Georgetown Galleries. Beautiful traditional furniture was created by Georgetown Galleries Furniture. Huntington, West Virginia, was the location of their factories. Georgetown Galleries offers high-quality solid wood furniture. We frequently come across Georgetown Galleries furniture with a Hathaway's tag from New York City's Park Avenue. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.